How to log into NetAcad? So let me answer this question. So first of all, you have to go www.netacad.com. This is the official website for Cisco Networking Academy. All the students who are enrolled in any of the course, they have to go here, right? So you click on netacad.com, then you press enter. It will bring you to the sign in page. So here you have to enter your email address, your password, and then you will be logged in into the system. On the mobile phones, the interface might look like this one. So here you have to click on these three dots and click on this login button to log in, and then click on login. Also, you guys can recover your password. You can click on forgot password so that you can recover your password as well. In the normal view in your computers, you can also click on login and click on forgot password. So once you are logged in into the system, then your interface will look like this one. You will see your courses, you will see everything, right? So now if you want to go into a course, you have to browse through and open the course. So there you might see more than one courses. For example, this account, this person has logged in into IPD week. This person has also logged in for pilot, for NetAcad course, for CCNA CyberOps or something. He has also logged in. He has also enrolled into Packet Tracer. So for example, if you are studying CCNA, you have to open that course exactly. Don't open other courses. So you have to click on this launch course button and you will be inside the course content. So here you can study your course. So you have to go through all the steps. Please read through each and every detail on this main page. Here you will see first time in the course, go through the orientation, but all these icons, so these things are must if you want to get graded, if you want to get a discount voucher at the end, if you want to complete the course, you want to show the progress. So here you have to click and run the system test. Some of the courses will have system test, some other courses will have other requirements, but you have to fulfill all one by one. Then you have to go to the course content, and these are the module group exams. So you have to attempt these exams to get graded. There might also be quizzes inside, but they are not graded. The main grades are for these exams. So once you finish everything, all these modules step by step, admins and your instructors will tell you when to go through these. Then finally you have to finish course feedback and final exam. Then you will get your certificates. Now once you finish a course, whether it's a free course or paid course, whether it's instructor-less or instructor course, or it's a self-study or instructor live classes, process is same. Once you finish the course, then you can go here to your profile, click on this profile button, and you can get your certificates and letters. You can get your digital badges. You can go through the discount vouchers. They will appear in here, but mainly certificates and letters. You can also change your first name, last name. Some information it allows you to change before course, and some information are locked down. So better you change as soon as you create your new account or an instructor enrolls you. So here you can click on certificates and letters. It will bring you to this page. So you can download all your certificates. Everything will appear in here. So for example, this one, you can click on this get certificate button. It will ask you that which signature do you want instructor signature or do you want Cisco signature. So you click on Cisco signature, press the unmute submit button, and then it will download. Anything which is downloadable will appear in here. So you can click on this get letter. This is a letter of merit from Cisco. Some of the courses they contain these letters as well. You can click on this one as well. The letter will be from the Cisco CEO Chuck. So this is how you guys can go. Also, if you have any discounts after completing the course, the discounts will appear in here. Any notification, they will be here. Your digital badges, everything, they will appear on this tab, which you can copy from here and you can add into your CV or your LinkedIn. So everything is inside NetAcad. No need to ask the same question again and again from your admin, your instructor, that how to download the certificate. Please download for me. Please send to me the certificate. You guys can do it yourself. This is a self-learning system. It is a self-contained system. Everything is inside. Only the instructors and admins, they are here to guide you. So if you have any problems, then you talk to them. For your normal duties, you guys can go through yourself. Also the course resources, if you want to download Cisco Packet Tracer, you can download from here. You want to download some course resources, you can click on all resource or course resource, so you can also download from here. And then for your career opportunities, Cisco also posts some jobs and everything, so you can also go through here. And there are so many other things, so please take some time, go through this system, especially how to access your course. I have already shown you how to download your certificates. You can download from here, especially for the free short courses, because it becomes a lot of work for the admin to download your certificates and share into your groups. So go to netacad.com, log in with your registered email address and password, and then browse through the system to download all certificates, everything. Good luck, guys. If you have any questions, if you face any issues, you can talk to admin. But please do this basic work for yourself. Good luck. See you in the course.